After a short drive along an unassuming and unkept road, you come across a black metal gate. Trees line either side of the road as if guiding you to your destination. As you round the corner, you're momentarily blinded as the sun breaks through the trees. As if it was almost rehearsed, you slow down to wait for your eyes to adjust. Then you see it, snuggled up against the foothills of Sonoma Mountain. The lower portion of this estate houses Willowbrook Stables, a well-known equestrian horse training and boarding facility. As you watch the majestic show horses training in the covered arena, you snap back to reality. That isn't what you're here for. Your gaze shifts further up and you spot something even more breathtaking: the immaculate, cultivated rows of vines which make up Noble Family Vineyards, located in the Petaluma Gap, AVA. Aptly named to express passion for both the equestrian and vineyard lifestyles, the EqWine Estate is a gently rolling 42-acre affair in sought-after Sonoma County. A luxury contemporary hacienda-like residence evokes an ease quality of life floor plan, one that promotes a seamless indoor and outdoor flow. South and west facing views across the swimming pool complex and over the vineyards make for the very best in dramatic sunsets and watching the weather unveil before your very eyes.